Alright guys, so we have a dent right here. We're gonna show you how to fix it. The things you're gonna need is you're gonna need a 2x4, you see, and set it down right here. Can you see that there's a dent? There is a dent. Then you're gonna need a hammer like this. Small. It's also from Harbor Freight. You're also gonna need this hammer to finish it off. So we're gonna start. As you can see, we have a dent. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna insert the hammer in the box, the toolbox, from the inside, and we're gonna smash it. Boom! Look at that. That's an improvement. Quite straight. We do have a high spot. In this area there is a high spot. Can you tell? So now we're gonna put the 2x4 underneath and we're just gonna give it a light tap. Gonna do reverse. And we're gonna change it up. So we've almost got it straight. We still have a little low spot in the area. We're going to address that right now. Alright, so that's pretty good. We got to do a little bit more work on it. Now that's, folks, how you get your toolbox looking good again.